Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be dyeing my hair purple with using the color violet from Manic Panic, the one I'm gonna show you right here. This doesn't damage your hair, it's the color violet, and it's the first time that I'm using it, and I did it from the ear down, so that's the color violet, and I bought that at Sally's. And I'm gonna use a color. This is a conditioner that does damage, and there's a brush there, and I did a pullover. That's where the bleach is. And this one is a radiance. This is where the bleach, the pullover and the bleach goes. And my mom did this, so she's pouring into a cup, and I'm just gonna show you here there's the powder, and she's just gonna put the radiance bottle there, and okay, so now she's just sectioning the hair where she's gonna bleach, and she's just sectioning from where the ear is down, and so that's where she's going to put the bleach. Okay, final touches. The Manic Panic
in
violet.
ultraviolet mixed with a pack of iron color.
And this is what my hair looks like.
Yeah, right now it's dry, but
It's
with
dry.
this, it says that hydrates and seals cuticles. So we'll see how this works.
Yes, it's a coloration. It's un after color sealer. Yeah, it's
Okay.
a after color sealer. It's a conditioner treatment, and with color. With color. And this is really messy, so make sure that you wear an old shirt or an old towel. Like I'm using an old towel right now. This is what my hair looks like. I put half.
Half of the little.
You guys can see half.
The little jar. In case we need more, we'll put more.
And this is what it looks like. It's violet, it's purple. And we're gonna add this and we're gonna mix it together. We're gonna mix. And it smells nice. Mix it. It's gotta look like this. It looks blue.
Okay.
Alright, so here we go.
my hair. Hopefully not. Si no me voy a quedar pelona.
Okay, now that we're done, she's just gonna clip it, and we're gonna leave it to 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, I'm gonna come back and show you the final results. So, see you then. Alright guys, so 45 minutes passed and I shampooed my hair, and we're gonna dry it to see the final results. And you can use any shampoo you want and conditioner. Just on the tips of the hair, it doesn't really have to be the whole hair. Right now you can't see anything, but we're gonna dry it to see the results. And I'm just putting this Pantene. It's the BB cream. It's the leave-on conditioner. It's alright, you guys. This is the final results. I have to add another color to my hair, so it really you can really see the little bit of color. Yeah, so this is the final results. I think I'm gonna add another color next week, so it really shows. But yeah, so we'll see tomorrow. Really hope you guys like this video. And hope you guys try it out, because it's really fun to have color in your hair. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.